Well, very pleased, Niels, to have you here. Niels Holm from Aarhus University, principal investigator of all the FAVOR studies, the FAVOR 2. We saw that yesterday also. Extensive meta-analysis that you have presented earlier, also since last year, with very consistent and great results. So we are now moving to the next phase, is the outcome study, FAVOR 3, Europe, Japan, which is always, of course, an enormous effort. And we always think we just start a study, but behind the scenes, it is work. And maybe you can say something about all that work that you're doing and getting this whole study set up and also executed.
Yes, so thank you very much, and it's a pleasure to be here again and to be here at PCR, and I'm very happy to see that QFR has a very prominent place in many sessions and is presented both in live cases and in multiple sessions where we can see that the data is speaking for themselves now, and also that the group of audience is huge and really are into this technology already. So, and of course, it's supported by the data that has come out both from our side but also from many other groups now, that this is a robust technology. It provides good diagnostic data and good diagnostic information, and it also provides guiding information for guiding PCI in case you have a positive QFR value. And then at the same time, we can also have it indicates that it's a cost-effective technology. So of course a huge interest in there. If we look at the FAVOR 3, FAVOR 3 is the natural successor to at this point, with the evidence we have today, we are in the situation where the only question we are asked are now, well, is it as good as our present guideline indicated standard, which is FFR and now also the resting indices? And therefore we have set up the FAVOR 3 trial as a non-inferiority trial, randomized clinical outcome trial, and with a sample of 2,000 patients, we want to show that QFR is non-inferior to an FFR guided strategy.
Yeah, and indeed, just what I said, just setting up such a study, we say, well, we would like to do the outcome study, 2,000 patients, 35 centers. Let's start, but it's not that easy.
No, unfortunately not. So we are already started. Our center has started, and we have the first 55 patients enrolled, and so far successful at our end. And we will add the next sites very shortly. The process is rolling in all the countries that are in this. We have 11 countries at this time, and we aim to have these 35 centers participating in the trial. The legal environment in Europe is difficult in setting up trials. It was the ethics committees that could delay setting up a trial, but today it's the legal environment, so the legal offices, the contracts, but we are pushing it as hard as we can, and hopefully we will have all 35 sites enrolling late this year.
Yeah, and we have an investigative meeting at the end of the day, so that's where we will show, or you will show, how far we are, and that we get the sites on board and really start enrolling and get the results out in a couple of years, because we need to enroll, but also there's a 1-year follow-up. It's a non-inferiority trial, so there's still work to be done, lots of work to be done, but we very much look forward to this next step again. And the collaboration with you and your team, and I hope that in a couple of years we are here again smiling that we have done it, we have executed, and also that hopefully the results are good.
Definitely.
So thank you so much, and good luck with all the next steps also.
Thank you very much, and thanks for the opportunity.
Sure, thank you.